Hi everyone, just a catch-up video, what we've done. So, I've finished, actually drawers here are done. Next step is making doors and shelves, which we're going to do. So the fridge unit here as well is done, so I'm going to be starting cutting materials for doors. Then we'll finish off shelves, same there. So these are done as well. So the last thing I have to do is make a flyover to hide them pipes mainly, that's why we're doing it. So here is a unit for oven. That was quite tricky to do because it was right in the middle and there's big voids everywhere, so but luckily it's done now. So done will be on drawers. There's dishwasher there, so I'm basically going to be starting making doors, cutting materials for doors. Hopefully tomorrow we can start clamping some up. Hope you're enjoying it and we'll catch up with you soon.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off, why did I choose you? I'm just too lost, I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy, now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake, but I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Hi everyone, it's Artis and Dan from Man Carpentry. Just a catch up video really. So we finished pretty much these units here, as you can see. All waiting for his magnetic catches. And then that is done. Hopefully they come soon. This drawers all done. Fridge unit, same thing, catches. And basically that's done as well. So we prepared it for water people, took the unit away and also removed the water tops. Same on that side, so loose, so they can template and do their bit. And this is basically got a few more doors here to do. I think there's cable in the way, so I'll do that when that's out of the way. Got one door there to put in and dishwasher doors to do. Well, that's it. So probably, hopefully, I'm hoping to be finished with the flyover, which we're doing now, as you can see, and which is a bit of a pain because obviously nothing is straight. So it's a bit of fun for us. Who said it's going to be easy, eh? No one said. And hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you soon. Hi everyone, it's Artis from Man Carpentry. We're back on the job, just to finish a few things off. Painters are finished, so we got to put some handles, catches on, magnetic catches, and we then be finished. So I thought I'll show you how it looks. So this wall party was gone as well, so you can see how everything looks now. So that's the old part, so we didn't touch there. If you remember, we changed from doors to drawers. That's been newly done. That's been all new. Then here We rebuilt this fully. We made it wider. So that's been rebuilt fully as well. So and also we've done that unit because that wasn't there. So that's basically add-ons we've done in the kitchen area. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this sort of work, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.